So when we talk about Google Map, what usually comes to mind is usually direction to wherever we're going. But how about a way to make money using Google Map? I'm going to show you all that on this video, but make sure you have a skill. Now, even if you don't have any skill, don't worry, because I'm also going to show you how to acquire one for free using Google. Once you open your Google, you choose a particular business you know you have a relevant skill to offer them. And for this example, I'm going to be using smart home appliance dealers in Nigeria. Because it's Google Map, you have to specify a particular area. And now it is out. I'm going to click on maps and see what happened. Okay, now it has shown me some people that are into home appliances, smart home appliances in Nigeria. So I'm going to be opening this one after the other. I'm going to be looking for what they are probably lacking, like trending things they should have as a business that they don't have. Things like their website, if it is up to date, things like their social media platforms, if it is as professional as you should be, and every other thing that you may be interested in depending on your skill. So now, this particular company don't really have any website. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy the name of the company and their address, their phone number, and I'm going to paste it on a notepad. So now I have succeeded in copying like 3 for this example. So you can do for as many as you've seen on Google Maps. So now you have noted the companies and their problems, their phone numbers, and their address. So we're going to be using this for later. But for now, we're going to head over to Canva to do the next step. So now we know how important online presence is for business in order to maximize profit and boost whatever service or product they are selling. You're now going to be using these problems that you have noted they have in their online presence to sell yourself to them. So, but before that, you have to prepare yourself so that they will listen to you and they will see you as someone who has value to offer to them. And you have to make sure that you highlight the importance of having the online presence they should have, given that things are now digital, so that they listen to you and they buy in your service. And to do this effectively, we're going to prepare a portfolio that we're going to be presenting to them. We're going to do this using Canva. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can use to go to Canva to start making your designs. So let's get started with that. So this is Canva. So all you have to do is just type portfolio here. And once it opens, you choose any template you want. You have to be careful because there are some that are paid, there are some that are for free. I think I like this one. So now the template is out and we're going to be using this to customize our portfolio so that we can use it to pitch our service to our potential clients. It is important to state that your portfolio must have things like who you are, your service you render, the tools and the systems you have put in place to be able to do this your service, your work samples, the results and testimonials, and of course your contact information should everything go well so that they know how to reach you. So I'm going to start by editing this template so that I can use it to do what I need to do. So now I've succeeded in doing a little bit of editing to this thing because this is just for this example. As you can see here, I wrote my portfolio. You have to keep it as simple, as clear, as precise as possible. And make sure that the picture you're having is as in relation to the type of service you're intending to render to your potential clients. So this particular template is a very perfect example for you to know what to actually do. So here is intro, who I am. You put your picture and your name and anything that there is to know about you. You think your client should know about you. Now your service and the packages. Be careful not to put any price so as not to discourage anybody. You can just put, you have premium, you have the regular plans for your clients. So, but don't put any particular figure so that if they're interested, you can start the negotiation process. So here you see the tools and the system. You can put pictures in relation to what you are talking about and you put your tools and your system. It could be the social media platforms you use to market. I mean, social media platforms are growing, so you have to put the ones you use to boost people's businesses. So this is the sample of your work. You put example, evidence. People want to see evidence to prove that whatever you're claiming is what it is. So you have pictures of evidence of what you have done before. You can put it in this particular section. And here we have the results and the testimonials. So you can put how you boosted someone's business from where it was before to where you brought it to on this platform. So here is your contact information. You can put your contact information. As you can see, the pages are not much and they are clear, they are precise. You make yours as simple, as understandable, as less voluminous as this, and it's just 10-page portfolio. And once you're done, you click share and download this here. all the 10 pages, you click download, and then you have it in your system, and then move over to the next step. So now my portfolio is ready, and the next thing to do is to use it to market my service to the people I got from Google Map. Now, all the people I got, I didn't see any email there, so I will have to code visit them. That is where the Google Map comes to play. I'll have to use the address gotten from Google Map, look for them and go and visit them, and then I will explain myself. Now you have to have the skill to talk to people, to be able to convince them, telling them the need for them to patronize your service and the effect their online absence is actually causing them, like the effect it's having on their business. So if you're able to get email address at least from any of the companies you may be seeing when you try this, you can send them an email attaching your portfolio to the email you're going to be sending them, so that once they read it, they go through your portfolio, and if it's something they can actually, like, if they're interested in it, then they can contact you. Most times, some of these businesses don't really know the importance of the service you're going to be rendering, especially when it comes to online services. So, but if you bring it to their notice, maybe it will awaken their consciousness to the need for them to do something like that. Then if you're successful, then you can start making money by the time they patronize your service. Now, if you're very much interested in adopting this marketing strategy and you don't really have the skill to sell to people, I'm going to be sharing with you a website that can actually help you to learn a skill for free. But before I do that, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you really want to learn other ways to make money online. So the website is called skillshop.withgoogle.com. It's a Google site that helps you learn skill for free. So there are a lot of skills like you can find to learn on this platform. You can see Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytic Academy, Google My Business, Google Ad Manager, Google Ad Mob. These are the things that businesses actually need to boost their online presence, and be able to learn all these skills is actually going to help you. So to get started with this site, you click here, and then you see a lot of other skills you can learn from this site, and then you create a profile and you start learning, and it's self-paced, like some couple of minutes a day you get to learn any particular skill you may be interested in, amongst everything here for free. So if you want to learn about other ways to earn money doing little tasks online, check out this video. And if you also want to know how to make money using Google News, check out these videos. Please don't fail to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.